Kittur Rani Chennamma. Take your English textbook, page number 74, and open Kittur Rani Chennamma. We got freedom on 15th August 1947. Many of our great leaders fought against the British rule. We all know 15th August. What is the festival on 15th August? 15th August was what? Independence Day. We all celebrated Independence Day, no? Yeah. When it has happened means in 1947 India became freedom because of these leaders. Many of our great leaders fought against the British rule. In Kannada also, in Kannada ma'am also said for you all to collect the freedom fighters pictures and paste in a project work. Kannada ma'am said, you know, if you have did, I have seen. Yes, those are the great leaders who fought against the British rule. Some of their pictures are given below. Can you identify them? Yes, who is he? Do you know this? This is your work. You have to write their name below here. You can see this is Mahatma Gandhi ji, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and find these two people and write. Rani Chennamma was born in 1778. Otherwise, you can read 1778, which is better. 1778 is better or 1778 is better. You can read both. Okay. She was the daughter who, Rani Chennamma, was the daughter of Dulappa Gowda, a Desai of Kakatti village of Belagavi. Her mother, Padmavati, was a pious woman. Chennamma was brought up with love and care. She learnt Urdu and Marathi along with her Kannada. When she was young, she read epic like the Ramayana and Mahabharata. She also read different books of Vachanas. Chennamma learnt shooting and horse riding. She was bold and intelligent. The wise men said Chennamma will become a great queen. That became true. See here, Rani Chennamma. She is the Rani Chennamma. You can see the statues nearby roads in Bangalore and all. Rani Chennamma was born in 1778. When you people born in 2000? Yes, tell me. 12, 13, like that, no? Like that. Rani Chennamma was born in 1778, remember. She was the daughter of Dulappa Gowda. Who is he, Dulappa Gowda? He will be the Desai of Kakatti village of Belagavi. They are in Belagavi district. Like Bengaluru district, in Bengaluru, Hoskote is there, no? Like that. Belagavi district, Kakatti village is there. Her mother, Padmavati. Dulappa Gowda is father. Padmavati is the mother. And she was a pious woman, means religious woman. She was like at home, like grannies will be there, no? Rules is rules. Our culture should be like this, like that. They'll say, no, like that. She is very cultural and religious. Chennamma was brought up with love and care. How the Ranis will be with love and care only, they'll be brought up, no? They won't beat them with love. Where is the love? There will be not hesitating or beating, nothing. She learned Urdu. She was knowing Urdu and Marathi. What you people you know? You know your mother tongue and Kannada, Hindi. Yes or no? Yes, Kannada, Hindi, English. Like that, she know other language, Urdu, Marathi, along with Kannada. She know Kannada also. When she was young, she read epic. You have to read this as read, because this all happened thing we are going to read. She read epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. She know Kannada, so she read Ramayana and Mahabharata. She also read different books of Vachanas. If you go to higher classes, you will get to know about Vachanas. Okay. Chennamma learnt shooting and horse riding. Of course, have you seen Bahubali? In that Bahubali, how the Ranis will be? They'll be knowing shooting and bow and arrow. Yes, horse riding. Of course, you can recognize that horse riding and all. Here also, she is on horse riding. She was bold and intelligent. She was bold and intelligent. Who know everything? Who know to read? Who know to write? Who know to fight? They will be bold and intelligent. The wise man said, some wise man said, Chennamma will become a great queen. That became true. Some people will be saying no by seeing your faces. Oh, in future days you will become good leader or you will become granny, like that they'll be telling. It will come true, no? Like that some wise man said about Chennamma, she will become a queen. What great queen. Once a tiger appeared near Kakati village. What happened? Once a tiger appeared near Kakati village for forest area. Kakati village, in the Kakati villages and all, it will be like a forest areas only, no? There, who came? Tiger. The tiger was troublesome to the farmers. He would destroy their crops. What happened? The tiger is attacking the farmer's field and destroying the crops. At the time, Malasarja, the king of Kitturu state, had come to Kakati. Here, Malasarja, the king of Kitturu. As I said here, Kakati and Belagavi, this is separate. From Kitturu, other district, he came. Other state. Kitturu state is other state. From there, he came to the Kakati to see the simply they'll be roaming. Like that they came. That time the tiger was destroying the field. The people came to meet him. They requested Malasarja to drive out the tiger. If any farmers means what they'll work, they'll plough, they'll grow the crops. When this tiger came, obviously what they'll do? Help. They'll ask the help for others. Here who was going? The great Malasarja. He was a king. King means everything he should know. So they asked help of the Malasarja to drive out the tiger. Along with some soldiers, Malasarja set out into the forest. He was a skilled hunter. Who was skilled hunter? Malasarja. He was very skilled hunter. He chased the tiger in the forest. Suddenly the tiger disappeared. He chased the tiger in the forest. Suddenly the tiger disappeared. On the other side, Chennamma rode her horse behind the tiger. Finally, she shot him with arrow. 2 arrows grazed his body. Chennamma had killed the tiger before Malasarja came to the spot. What a brave lady! Malasarja praised her bravery. He married Chennamma because of her valor and beauty. Yes, this is the story of Kitturu Rani Chennamma. She was in Kakati village. When she met Malasarja and got married to the Kitturu, she got the name Kitturu Rani Chennamma. Her fight against the British after. This is one story how she met Malasarja and how she got married. Because of what thing she got married? Because of her bravery. Okay, because of her bravery she got married. If any rat come to your house, how your reaction will be? How your reaction will be? Yes, you will do like that sound, no? And you will be very scary. From today, even you have to be like Rani Chennamma's brave. You should be strong. So learn everything, practice everything, then be brave. Okay, her fight against the British, how it was. Chennamma was patriotic. Patriotic means we have to show our care, everything for our country or for our land. She loved her country the most. She was loving the country most. The British attacked Kitturu Fort in 1824. She was born in 1778. After 1824, in the 1824, she fought against the British bravely. She fought with British also. She killed a number of British soldiers. She killed number of British soldiers. She won the first battle, but in the second battle she caught and imprisoned. What happened in the first battle? She was very good and she won. In the second battle, they what imprisoned. She was kept in Ballari jail. What they did? They kept in a Ballari jail. She was breathed her last. Breathed her last means she died. She died in the jail on 2nd February 1829. See, still we are in January, no? Soon we will be on 2nd. Shall we celebrate this? We should celebrate? No, we should remember and we should pray for her. Like Rani Chennamma, other women should born. Okay, we will remember on 2nd February. Her name has been written in the pages of our history. When she died, some writers will be there, no? They'll write her stories, whatever achievement she did, everything we will be recording. Every Indian remembers her. Even we are Indians, no? We should remember Rani Chennamma's death and birth by reading all this thing. Okay, if you get more time, if you go anywhere, please take Rani Chennamma's book, and still more interesting matters will be you should come to know. Even you should be a great leaders. At home, good leader is there or a good Indian is there, our India will become good. Okay, this is the new words. And this is the question answers for reading and for speaking and for writing. When was Chennamma born? As I said, 1778. Where were her parents? They were in Kakati village. What books did she read? She was reading Vachanas. Mahabharata, Ramayana. You can write. Where was the tiger found? The tiger found in Kitturu village. Kitturu or Kakati? Kakati village, yes. She where was the tiger found? In the Kakati village forest. Then I'll give you the question answers. See, this is unit 5, Rani Chennamma, meanings. These are the meanings, and second main, third main, till fourth main I am going to give you to write. Understood, students? Yes, thank you all.